All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got some more of the Michaels mystery boxes for you. The $10 grab bag boxes. These are most likely going to be Easter, St. Patrick's. I have gotten these last year. I only got 3 of these, so do make sure to follow along so you can see the remainder 2 boxes after this one. I only got 3 boxes of these because first, this is all I had left by the time I got there. And second of all, these boxes I don't generally get very good stuff in. So I don't really make a big issue about these boxes. But I just figured I'd get some boxes for you guys to see us open. So let's go ahead and get these open. And we'll see what we got, guys. And it's probably a guarantee that there will be ribbon in here. Because I feel like that's what Michaels always has left over is ribbon. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'd say we got quite a bit in this box. Surprised, it felt really light. So it looks like we got some Easter egg garland. Oh my gosh, this is longer than I thought it was. These are super cute. Oh, one of them's broke. I can always just cut that one off. But this is super cute. And these retail for $19.99. And this is 6 foot long, it says. So this is super cute. This is actually really interesting. And then it looks like we got some little decorative carrots. And these ones retail for $6.99. These are kind of cute. I think I got some of these last year too. And then it looks like we got a little light up little decoration. I think it might be broke. I don't know if it's missing because it wants to fold in. So I don't know if it's missing the top of it or not. But there's a little tab. Let's pull it and see if it works. Oh, it does. This is cute. This is like something similar I've made with the Cricut before, where you make the little layers. So this is super cute. I still really feel like it's missing something though. And then, oh my goodness, when I said there was going to be ribbon, there is ribbon. This one is kind of like a little suede feeling ribbon. This one is retails at $9.99. We got some more. I don't know what I'll do with this. And then, oh, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 4 of these orange checkered ribbons. And these ones retail for $9.99 too. I mean, I said we were going to get ribbon, guys, and there is ribbon. Nope, yeah, we got more of the, 2 more of the suede ones. And then, oh my goodness. We have an extra large carrot, so it says. And this is kind of funny. Don't think I could leave this out though. My dogs will probably chew it. And this retails for $24.99. But when I tell you, this thing is kind of weird. I mean, I guess if you're in a play or something, this would probably be cute. And of course we got a flower pick. That's got little Easter eggs. This is kind of cute. And then we've got some more carrots. And these retail for $14.99. Oh, tabletop decor. We have some fake cabbage. This is interesting. I don't know what you do with fake cabbage. I mean, I guess you do just kind of put it out. But I feel like that'll get chewed on too. And this retails for $14.99. What else? Wait, okay, so we got a little decorative little mushroom. It looks like you can paint it. And this retails for $7.99. oh, we got some more of the little bunches of carrots. Oh my goodness, and we got more cabbage. This one's purple. I mean, I do like purple, but I don't like cabbage. And this is $14.99 too. Very interesting stuff in this box. Not gonna lie, guys. So we got some more of the little carrots. They both retail $14.99. And then what else do we have there? So, okay, so it's a little craft stick kit to make a little chicken and egg. This is cute. Definitely be a fun craft project for my 3-year-old, even though it says 6 and above. But we'll make it a 3-year-old craft. And we got some little cookie cutters, little flower cookie cutters. And little foam bunny shapes. So we got a pretty good stack of those. Could probably make like garland out of it or something. That would be cute. And then, oh, we got 2 of these door decor kit. So it looks like it comes with all this little stuff to decorate with. So that's kind of cute. That'll definitely be a fun one to put up next year. And I believe, oh, we're missing one thing. Hold on, guys. Oh, we have to make little ornament craft kits. To make a little bunny, a little cat that looks like a bunny, and a chick. This will be another little fun craft project. And this one retails for $7.99. These little door kits retail for the same price, $7.99. And it looks like we are done with this box, guys. So, all in all, like I said, I don't really care for the Easter St. Patrick's boxes because you don't really get a whole lot of stuff in them. And they're just kind of, you know, I'm not big on this stuff, to be honest. I'd rather have Christmas or Thanksgiving or something like that. But all in all, I mean, for 10 bucks, this is still well worth it. If you like to decorate for Easter and have all the fun stuff out, I'm sure you guys can get some fun things in these boxes. So yeah, guys, that's it. But remember to stick around. I got 2 more boxes after this. We'll open those up and see what we got. And then, as always, thanks for everything that you guys do for this channel. And to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Bye.